Talking to children. Bibisitahin kita. I will visit you. Ano ang paborito mong laruan? What's your favorite toy? Maglaro tayo. Let's play a game. Mahilig ka ba sa cartoons? Do you like cartoons? Mag-ingat ka. Be careful. Anong gusto mo paglaki mo? What do you want to be when you grow up? Gusto mo ba ng candy? Do you like some candy? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong? Do you need help? Magbasa tayo ng kwento. Let's read a story. Oras na para matulog. It's time to go to bed. At home. Example dialogues. Gumising ka na. Umaga na. Wake up, it's morning. Kumain tayo ng sabay. Let's eat together. Handa na ang almusal. Breakfast is ready. Linisin mo ang iyong kwarto. Clean your room. Patayin ang ilaw bago matulog. Turn off the lights before going to bed. Huwag kalimutang maghugas ng kamay. Don't forget to clean your hands. Maghugas ka ng pinagkainan. Wash the dishes. Huwag kang magkalat. Stop making a mess. Huwag kang magpuyat. Don't stay up too late. Health sample dialogues. Matutulog ako sandali. I'm taking a nap. Masakit ang ulo ko. I have headache. May gamot ka ba? Do you have medicine? Nahihilo ako. I feel dizzy. Kailangan kong magpatingin sa doktor. I need to see the doctor. Uminom ng maraming tubig. Drink plenty of water. May lagnat ako. I have a fever. Magpahinga ka. Get some rest. Masakit ang tiyan ko. My stomach hurts. Kumain ng masustansyang pagkain. Eat healthy foods. Inumin mo ang gamot mo. Take your medicine. Greetings and basic conversations. Mabuti naman ako. Salamat. I'm fine. Thank you. Kumusta ka? How are you? Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Ang pangalan ko ay My name is Taga saan ka? Where are you from? Taga Maynila ako. I'm from Manila. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Nice to meet you. Ilang taon ka na? How old are you? Ako ay 25 taong gulang. I'm 25 years old. Daily activities. Anong trabaho mo? What do you do? Kakagising ko lang. I just woke up. Naghahanda na ako. I'm getting ready. Oras na para kumain. Time to eat. Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? Tara na. Let's go. Papasok na ako sa trabaho. I'm going to work. Uuwi na ako. I'm going home. May bibilhin lang ako. I'll just buy something. Eating and drinking. Manood tayo ng sine. Let's watch movie. Oo, gutom ako. Yes, I'm hungry. Gutom ka ba? Are you hungry? Let's eat. Kain tayo. Hindi, busog ako. No, I'm full. Gusto ko ng kape. I want coffee. Anong gusto mong kainin? What do you want to eat? Ang sarap ng pagkain na ito. This food is delicious. Ayaw ko ng maanghang na pagkain. I don't like spicy food. Gusto mo ba ng tubig? Do you want some water? Gusto ko ng merienda. I want some snacks. Magkano ito? How much is this? Shopping and money matters. Pwede bang pumili? Can I choose? Ang mahal naman. It's too expensive. Bibilhin ko ito. I'll buy this one. Tinitingnan ko lang. I'm just looking. Pwede ba itong upahan? Is this for rent? Saan ako pwedeng maka-withdraw? Where can I withdraw? Kailangan ko ng pera. I need money. Ang mura nito. This is cheap. Is this for lease? Pinauupahan pa ito? Pwede ko ba itong ibalik? Can I return this? Saan ang banyo? Where is the bathroom? Travel and directions. Saan ito papunta? Where is this headed to? Naliligaw yata ako. I think I'm lost. Paano ako makakapunta roon? How can I get there? Pwede mo bang ituro ang daan? Can you show the way? Kailangan ko ng taxi. I need a taxi. Gaano ito katagal? How long will it take? Malayo ba ito rito? Is this far from here? Sumakay tayo ng bus. Let's take a bus. Emotions and reactions. Kailangan ko ng kasama. I need a company. Masaya ako. I am happy. Pagod ako. I am tired. Malungkot ako. I am sad. Naiinip ako. I am bored. Nasasabik ako. I am excited. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Natatakot ako. I am scared. Saying goodbye. Kita tayo mamaya. See you later. Kita tayo bukas. See you tomorrow. Magandang gabi. Good night or good evening. Magandang araw sa'yo. Have a nice day. Ingat sa biyahe. Safe trip. Namimiss kita. I miss you. Magkita ulit tayo. Let's meet again soon. Paalam. Bye. Tatawagan kita mamaya. I'll call you later. Kumain ka na? Have you eaten? Talking to elders. Mag-ingat po kayo. Please take care. Hayaan mong tulungan kita. Let me help you. Nire-respeto kita. I respect you. Salamat sa payo mo. Thank you for your advice. Kumusta ang kalusugan mo? How is your health? Gusto mo ba ng tsaa? Would you like some tea? Pinahahalagahan ko ang iyong kabaitan. I appreciate your kindness. Maaari ko po ba kayong tulungan? Can I help you?